In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify from Nigeria. Whether you're looking to start an online business or expand your existing one, Shopify offers a user-friendly platform to help you reach customers worldwide. First things first, you need to sign up for a Shopify account. Head over to Shopify's website and click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, choose a password, and create a name for your store. Remember to pick a name that resonates with your brand and is easy to remember. Once your account is set up, it's time to select a pricing plan. Shopify offers several options, so choose the one that aligns best with your business needs and budget. If you're just starting, the basic Shopify plan is generally a great choice. Keep in mind that you can always upgrade as your business grows. Next, you'll want to customize your online store to make it appealing and functional for your customers. Shopify provides a range of themes, both free and paid, to choose from. Select one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and make it uniquely yours by adjusting the colors, fonts, and images. A visually appealing store can significantly impact the customer's buying decision, so take your time with this. Now that you have your store set up, it's time to add products. Navigate to the Products section on your Shopify dashboard and click Add Product. Here, you'll enter key details like the product title, description, price, and any available sizes or colors. Be descriptive yet concise and remember to include high-quality images. Customers rely heavily on visuals, so clear, professional photos can make a big difference. With your products added, you must configure your payment methods. Shopify supports various payment gateways, but for sellers in Nigeria, Paystack and Flutterwave are popular options. Setting up these gateways involves creating an account with the service, linking your bank details, and integrating the service within your Shopify store. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you can receive payments promptly and securely. Shipping settings are next up. Click on the Settings tab and then Shipping within your Shopify dashboard. You'll need to determine your shipping zones, rates, and methods. Consider your product weight and customer location when setting these parameters. Keep your shipping options as transparent as possible to avoid any customer confusion later on. Finally, before you launch, make sure to review your entire store. Test the checkout process, preview how your site looks on different devices, and ensure that all product information is correct. Attention to detail can prevent errors and help build a trustworthy reputation with your customers. And there you have it. You're ready to start selling on Shopify from Nigeria. With determination and effort, you can build a successful online store and tap into a global marketplace. Thank you for tuning in, and stay subscribed for more helpful tips and tricks.